Hey guys, it's C with Atlantic Knife, and I'm back to do a review on a new knife called the Nemesis MPR Tanto. Let's go ahead and open it up. This is a company out of Arizona that does a line of knives. This is a lockback. This is going to be interesting. A lot of these I don't get to see too much of before I start doing them. So here we go. We'll go over the specs. Blade is 3.63 inches. Overall length is 8.19. The handle is 4.6. And the weight is 3.4 ounces. We'll show you a close-up of it here. Has a small pocket clip, but it is deep pocket carry. Tanto blade. It's a CPM S35 VN blade, which is going to make it 5960 on HRC, the Rockwell scale. Has a textured black G10 handle. I really like that. Has a 4-way reversible pocket clip. So you got tip up, tip down, ambidextrous, doesn't matter. The liners are stainless steel. They're jimped here. I guess it's going to be for handle control on your pinky. The spacer is a 6061 aluminum. I don't think we can get that in there, but has 2 thumb studs, so it flips open on either side. Multi-grind Tanto blade, and it uses a phosphorus bronze washer, like that. Alrighty, so we're going to show you how this item cuts. Very nice, we like that. We got some paracord here. We'll start off with that. Whoops. Not bad. That was very smooth for a, wow, for a slip joint there. It was actually very impressive to have that type of, that type of edge out the box like that, even on the Tanto portion. Very nice. Alright, we'll bring some cardboard out, because a lot of times these will be used at people that are at work and they want to cut open a box. You know this sucker's going to cut this fairly easy. As you can see, it cuts right through that. Alright, so this once again is the Nemesis MPR Tanto. Nice little knife. I believe it comes in at $125. We'll ask you if you're on Instagram to go ahead and like and follow us at Atlantic Knife, where we do 5-minute reviews on a daily basis. You can check our story section, and we do poll questions there each day, so you guys can interact with us. And if you're on YouTube, make sure you subscribe to our channel. We do a weekly show every Friday. It goes over the new knives that come in each week. We do 7 to 12 each week. And with that said, this is the Nemesis, and I am C with Atlantic Knife, signing off.